This is the first time Landon is going to try to drink out of a sippy cup. Okay, Landon, here you go. What do you think you do with this? Oh, yeah. You do. That's exactly right. You take it like this. Hold on. No. You go like this. Yeah. See? Hold your hand. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Oh, you like to chew on that, don't you? Now let's put it up like this. Do you get the water? You taste it? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yay. Mmm. You like it, don't you? Do you like it? Mmm. Uh-oh. How do you do it? Almost. Hold it up. Hold it up. Look. Hold it up. Mmm. Oh. Say, Mommy, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, is that what? How do you do it? Show us how you do it. Nothing's coming out. You have to hold it up. Okay. Let's hold it up. Mmm. 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 You getting any? No. You just like chewing on it, don't you? Okay. Well, that's okay. We'll work on it. We'll work on it together. And then I think you'll get the hang of it. So, how old are you today? You are 28 weeks. You're over 6 months. You are getting so big. You're very observant. Okay. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Hmm. Can you say Dada? Say Dada. Say Dada. It's almost time for Dada to get home. Yeah? Really? Okay. Well, we'll say bye for now. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Wait. Say bye-bye.